Now we're going to work on what happens in between the beat. Let's just play a really easy beat, 4 quarter notes on the hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. Notice how the stick moves. It should be up at the top halfway through those 2 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. You could even put your other stick here to practice doing that in time. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. But let's imagine that we were playing something that was a little bit more swung. Da 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 da. We want our prep stroke for that instead of to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to fit in with what everyone else in the band is playing. So if it was da 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 da. Try those 2 things with me. So first let's do the even one. 1 and 2 and 3 and go. 1 and 2. Now let's try the swung one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This might seem like a small thing, but it really makes a big difference in the message that you send out to your band members. Plus, it helps you keep the time in your head. So think about your prep strokes when you are starting off a song and when you move from instrument to instrument.